For phonics today, we are working on this learning target. I can understand the meaning of what a suffix is and read and write words with ly and full. First, you're going to watch this video. This video will explain a little bit more about what a suffix is and give you some examples with words and specifically with the suffixes ly and full. After you watch the video, you will be ready to read and write with the suffixes ly and full. After you're done with that, you go to the next slide. This slide explains a little bit more about what the meanings are of the suffixes. So the suffix ly, ly, means pertaining to, slowly, deeply. So pertaining to means in that way. It is being done in that way, or it is about that. So if something is being done in a slow way, it's being done slowly. If something is being felt in a deep way, it is being felt deeply. Full means full of, hopeful, full of hope, joyful, full of joy. When you're done with that slide, you go here, and it's time to practice. So you read the base words to yourself, add the suffix ly on this side to these four, and then read the words to yourself. On this side, you read the base words, and then add the suffix full to the ends of the words, and then read the words. So let's read the base words, my turn, your turn. Quiet, quick, loud, nice. So I go here, and I put my cursor, and I add the suffix ly. Then I read the word, quietly. So when I'm done with these three, I go over here. Let's read these base words, my turn, your turn. Thank, color, peace, power. So then I come and I put my cursor there and I add the suffix full, thankful. And I do the rest of these, then I press the X and the blue turn-in button.